country wedding. What a breath of fresh air after the hurly-burly of the big cities. I'm an English journalist, and I'm writing a series of articles for my London newspaper. My assignment, Australia, the continent and its denizens. Here I am now. I'd been on that train for what seemed like an eternity. And on a sudden whim, I disembarked with my bicycle, my notebook, and a completely open mind. I had no idea where I was. Dimboola.
Dimboola.
Hello?
Hiya.
Hello. I wonder if you could, Hello. What a lovely trip. Flat all the way. Look, I wonder if you could direct me to